Hello and welcome to another video. Given that x is equals to t cubed plus 4t squared plus 3, find the displacement and velocity when the acceleration is 20 meters per second squared. To find the velocity, now we know that velocity is the rate of change of displacement. That is, velocity can be expressed as the first derivative of x, which is the displacement, with respect to time t. So which means I'm going to differentiate this function with respect to time t. So because we are giving x to be equals to t cubed plus 4t squared plus 3. So differentiating x with respect to t will mean that we're going to differentiate t cubed plus 4t squared plus 3 with respect to t. This is the velocity, okay? So that velocity will be equals to, this will be 3t squared plus 8t plus 0. Differentiating a constant will be 0, okay? That will be equals to 0. So that this will be 3t squared plus 8t equals to, this is the velocity function. So the velocity function, which is the velocity as a function of time t, will be equals to 3t squared plus 8t. We are giving the acceleration to be 20 meters per second squared. So which means I'm going to differentiate the velocity function with respect to time t, because acceleration measures rate of change of velocity. So which means the first derivative of velocity with respect to time t will be equals to acceleration, okay? So acceleration is equals to dv over dt. So which means this will be equals to differentiate, that is, I'm going to differentiate 3t squared plus 8t with respect to time t, and that will be, so the acceleration will be equals to 6t plus 8. Now, when the acceleration is equals to 20 meters per second squared, we are given acceleration to be equals to 20 meters per second squared. So I'm going to use this acceleration function, okay, to calculate time t. Okay, this is the acceleration function. That's the acceleration function. We have acceleration function to be equals to 6t plus 8. So now the value of a is 20. So this will be equals to 6t plus 8. And I'll bring this guy to the left hand side. Okay, so when this cross over to the left hand side, it will become negative 8. So that we have 20 minus 8 equals to 60. And this will be 12 equals to 60. So if you divide both sides by 6, okay, the value of t will be 2 seconds. The value of t will be 2 seconds. So to find the displacement and velocity, of course, we need the value of time t. So velocity, no, let me start with displacement. For displacement, we have x equals to t cubed plus 4t squared plus 3. So at t equals to 2 seconds, so it means that x of 2 will be equals to 2 cubed plus 4 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3. This will be 8 plus, this is 16 plus 3. So x of 2 will be equals to, this is 24. 24 plus 3, that will be 27. So the displacement, okay, the displacement when the time is 2 seconds is 27 meters. So this is the displacement. That will be 27 meters, because 8 plus 16, that will be 24. 24 plus 3, that will be 27. Then also to calculate the velocity, we have the velocity function to be v of t to be equals to 3t squared plus 8t. Now, when t is equals to 2, so we have v of 2 to be equals to 3 parentheses 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 8 multiplied by 2. So in this case, this will be 2 squared, that's 4. 4 times 3, that will be 12. 8 times 2, that's 16. 16 plus 12, this will be 28. So the velocity when the time is 2 seconds will be 28 meters per second, 28 meters per second. So therefore, displacement, which is x, is equals to 27 meters. Velocity, that's v, is equals to 28 meters per second. So these are the values of displacement and velocity. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.